Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix Apple Intelligence is not currently available on your country. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all open settings and make sure that your internet connection is working properly, and again make sure that you are not connected any of the VPN, and after that open general and tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of iOS, and after that go back and here you can see tap on language or region, tap on it, tap on region and select your region to the United States. So guys, after selecting your region United States, your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If the videos helped you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.